Hi everyone, this is Coral and I welcome you to Joy Tales at Little Steps, Episode 8, Aya's Jungle. Kwahu flew towards Mumba's den to inform about Leo and the wolves attacking the giraffes. Mumba heard Kwahu quietly and did not respond. Kwahu was surprised on Mumba's silence. "Aren't you angry?" asked Kwahu. "No, I was expecting this from Leo," said Mumba. "What next?" asked Kwahu. "Nothing. They will try to attack again, and we will save each other every time," said Mumba. "Don't you want to attack?" asked Kwahu. "No, we are not like them. We don't attack to hurt. We only attack to save," replied Mumba. "Don't worry, Kwahu. Aya is going to be safe because the jungle has more animals who love her and less of those who want to attack her," added Coco. "Let's not worry about Leo. Right now, we must take some medicines for the giraffes. Let's go." Mumba, Coco and Kwahu went to meet the giraffes. Coco carried some herbs and mud along to apply on the giraffe's wound. Just like the jungle had both kind of animals, helpful and harmful, so did it have both kind of plants, poisonous and medicinal. "Let's show Aya how the nature has remedy for all kinds of pain," said Mumba. Aya watched as Mojo and other monkeys helped apply the medicinal leaves and mud on the giraffe's wound. She was too small to understand, but her presence made the giraffes feel better. Mumba called for a gathering of all the teams to alert them about Leo and the wolves. Since that night, every animal was alert, not only for themselves, but even others. It was decided that Aya will always be with Coco or Mumba, and she should never be left out of sight. But to keep Aya in sight all the time was going to be difficult. As she was growing up, she was bound to move on her own. The chase between Team Aya and Team Attack kept going for months, and each time Team Aya won because they were all well united. And then, one day, 8 years later, Leo was walking by when he noticed a wolf's leg stuck in a rope. He immediately understood this had to be Aya who got the wolf stuck. Now, Leo was not only fighting the animal strength, but also the human mind. Aya came up with her own methods to live in a jungle, which was now her home. Aya had grown up into a young, friendly and a brave girl.